Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So, I'm here for an amazing video for you. So, my today topic is how to facial massage step by step. Today is a guideline for step by step for facial massage for to remove wrinkles from the skin and to look skin younger. How to do facial massage? A lot has already been said about cleansing, moisturizing, exfoliating, and treating, but what hasn't got enough hype is a facial massage. Have you noticed a healthy glow in your skin after a facial massage every time? Well, skincare experts swear by this simple routine for long term benefits. So let's just discuss it in detail. What is face massage and why is facial massage important? Facial massage is a technique that involves the use of hands or a tool to gently massage the facial skin. It helps in increasing blood circulation, relax facial muscles, dresses puffiness, and offers a healthy glow. Skincare experts recommend a facial massage 2 to 3 times a week for glowing skin. What does massage do to your face? Besides being a feel good procedure, a facial massage exercises the face muscle and gets the blood moving to create an even tone. It clears out pores and allows your skincare products to penetrate better. Facial massage also helps drain the stagnant fluid that causes puffiness in your face. Types of a face massage. Lymphatic drainage facial massage. Lymph is a fluid in your body that carries the toxins away and eliminate wastes. It is made of water, proteins, and salts. Accumulated lymph can be drained by a massage. This is a great technique for your looking to rejuvenate your skin by deep cleansing. Finger pressure facial massage. Number 2. This type of facial massage use acupressure applied to certain points in the face called the energy channels. People who practice this Chinese technique use special devices, their fingers or palms to tone muscles and reduce the appearance of wrinkles on the face. Classical facial massage. This is the most common one used by beauticians across the world. It involves movements like stroking, tapping, and pinching. It promotes collagen production and leave your skin feeling relaxed. Kibido facial massage. Kibido means ancient way of beauty. This is the oldest type of facial massage. It uses 47 techniques to massage 16 facial muscles. It is a deep relaxation facial massage that also helps in relieving pains. How to do facial massage, a step-by-step guide. A lot of skin craft customers have been inquiring about the right way of doing facial massage. So consider this as your crash course on how to facial at home. The first step is to prepare your skin. Cleanse your hands and tie back your hair. Wash your face with liquid warm water and pat dry. Moisturize your skin. Choose an oil for your skin. Steam your face to soften the pores and help with easy penetration of oils. Use your fingers in circulation motion to gently massage your face. You can use deep and stimulating motions if you are looking to firm your skin. In case you have sensitive, acne prone, or oily skin, stick to light pressure. You can consider using skincare gadgets for massaging like metal roller or JD roller or if you are comfortable. Number 1. Step 1. Massage your forehead. Place your knuckles between your eyebrows and move them upward the hairline. Repeat this 5 times. Step 2. Massage your eye area. Do not be harsh with skin around your eye. It is very gentle. Use soft and roller moving with your ring finger. Repeat 5 times. Step 3. Massage 3. Massaging your cheeks. Rest your knuckles on your cheeks near the nose bridge and swipe them across your cheeks towards the ears. Repeat 5 times. Step 4. Massaging your mouth area. Move a V shape with your index and middle fingers. Place the fingers in a way that the index fingers is above the upper lips and middle finger is below the lower lip. Press gently and pull towards the ears. Step 5. Massaging your chin. Place your palm underneath your cheekbones and massage towards the hairline. Step 6. Massaging your neck. Finish the neck with neck massage in vertical strokes from the collarbone towards your face in an upward direction. Benefits of facial massage. Number 1. Improve blood circulation. Facial massage is like facial exercise and helps improving the blood flow in the facial skin. Research says that a 5 minutes massage on the face for a constant period greatly improve blood flow and help in radiant skin. Number 2. Reduce stress. A self-pampering session at a salon, spa always feels good, right? Face massage reduce stress by activating the sympathetic nervous system. The next time you are anxious or want to elevate your mood, you know what to do? Number 3. Flushes out toxins. Facial massage moves the lymphatic fluid and clears out toxins from your facial skin. Lymphatic system is a combination of tissues and organs in the body that get rid of the toxins and other waste material from your body. Anti-aging benefits. Face massage can minimize the appearance of fine lines and help achieve a smoother texture. When the muscles of your face are tensed, they can cause wrinkle. Facial massage relaxes these muscles and makes the wrinkles less prominent. As there is increased blood circulation with massage, the collagen production increases. Collagen is a protein that keeps the skin firm and prevents from sagging. How often should you massage your face? You can massage your face for 5 minutes every day, but for a professional facial, once every 3-4 weeks. This is your skin renewal cycle, and facial massage once every 28 days ensures smooth and even skin. Which oil is good for face massage? Oil for dry skin, almond, argan, and marula oils. Oily skin, jojoba, grapeseed oils. And for sensitive skin, aloe vera, moringa, chem oils. Normal skin, argan, retinol oils. Acne prone skin, rosehip seed, pomegranate, tea tree oils. Disadvantages of facial massage. There are no disadvantages of facial massage as such, but when done incorrectly, you are likely to develop sagging skin sooner. Deep or rough massaging can sometimes cause bruising and muscles soreness that may last for several days. It can cause nerve damage in some cases. Lack of skill and too much stretching while doing facial massage can leave your skin with unwanted results. Is daily face massage good for skin? Skincare experts advise on facial massage at home 2 to 3 times a week. However, gentle massage every day for 5 to 10 minutes does no harm to your skin. It helps in promoting blood circulation and fading fine lines over time. I hope you like my video, and please guide this. Please apply and use this step-by-step guide for facial massage. It will be helpful for you. If you are feeling good, please give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.